Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's episode, this is a cocktail that I found, well stole, let's not say found. I stole it from one of my favorite places to go in Tampa is the Corona Cigar Lounge over near the airport. This was brought to my attention when I was in the hotel. The bartender at the hotel was like, hey, you going over there? You should try this. It's kind of sweet. So the drink is called a 1792 Florida Select, right? The 1792 means you use 1792 bourbon. The ingredients seem kind of odd. So this is like a real sweet drink. So for me, it went well with the cigars that I was smoking. I'm not typically a sweet drink person, but I'm also a person that kind of get tired of ordering old fashions every time you go out, especially to smoke cigars, right? So this was a change of pace and a delightful change of pace. So anyway, we're going to start. All right, for the first thing you do is you need 1792. Sure, you can use another bourbon, but whatever. We're going to keep it to namesake, right? So I got some 1792 full proof to give it a little more kick, right? So we're going to go 2 ounces of 1792. So next we're going to go 1/2 ounce of some Frangelico Liqueur, which it is I want to say hazelnut. Yeah, it's a hazelnut liqueur. It's Italian. It has natural hazelnut flavors. It's 20%, 40 proof. All right, so we're going to go just 1/2 ounce of our Frangelico Liqueur. Just 1/2 ounce. Next, we're going to go another 1/2 ounce of Kahlua. Could you substitute it for another coffee liqueur? Maybe. But their recipe called for Kahlua, and I like to stick to what I know. So just 1/2 ounce. The last thing we add is 3 drops of a chocolate bitter. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3-ish. We're going to add a little ice. And give this a good swirl to chill. So now we have our rocks glass with a gentleman's cube in it. That's what they call it. I mean, that's what you call that one cube is a gentleman's cube. But anywho, strain it into our rocks glass. And there you have it, folks. A 1792 Florida Select. Cheers. Why this works well with the ingredients is beyond my comprehension. But there's this sweetness to it. The Kahlua doesn't like outshine it because it is a coffee liqueur. You'd think it was a strong thing, but it's not. Everything goes together really, really well. So anyway, this has been my drink of choice when I'm at the Corona Cigar Lounge. So anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.